Hi, this is Java Core Learning Course by Example, and today is day 28. I will guide you how to use Java to run a Windows application. Okay, so now let's get started. This is Eclipse we are using. So here we have a main package, and now I will create a new class inside this package, and I will name it either Run Windows Application. Finish. Okay. So here, in order to run the Windows application, so we have to import a library which will be supporting to you to do that. So here, import Java until okay. I will using the runtime uh, rt equal runtime runtime. Okay. So here I will be using the child case to handle the exception if we have anything when we open when we execute the application. Okay, here child case system dot print line e dot those two string. So here we are using the okay runtime. I will change the instance name into app application. Okay. So here, firstly, I will open the notepad. Okay, so here app dot execute here. So here you have to enter the command line to open the notepad. It looks like the same thing when you are open the notepad in the window run. Okay, here I will show you the demonstration first. Here, this one window run. You type a notepad, enter it here, and after that it will open the notepad here for you. Okay, so here instead of using the window run, so we can use the code here. I will have notepad. Okay, so here now I will try to run it for you to see the demonstration. Here, so here the notepad has been opened here. Okay, cool. So here I will close this. Okay, so here we have we can open multiple applications at the same time here. Okay, cool. So here I will try to open another application like remote desktop, pen, and also show some another services like service.msc or the DIAZ. Okay, upload I copy this one, and we have the pen pen run it. Here it will open pen for you. Okay, try run again. Cool. So here I will open the remote desktop. I will have a MSDSC. Okay, run it again. Okay, here. Okay, so here I will open the last one. Uh, the okay, here, run it. Okay, cool. Okay, so here glow and glow. Okay, so here I just show you, for example, to open Notepad, uh, Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Remote Desktop, and the HDIAZ here. Okay, so you can do the same thing and execute. After that, you can open another application of Windows. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.